Okay, we have a Yama Seiki vertical machining center model VMB 1200, serial number 7085. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. Machine has 47.2 inches of X travel. You hear her there, nice and quiet. 23.6 in Y and 23.6 in the Z. The table size is 23.6 by 51.2. It's T-slotted underneath that, underneath the subplate. You have a 40 taper Cat 40 spindle with a 30 ATC side-mounted automatic tool changer. 8,000 RPM spindle. That's 1,000 RPM going up. We're in the low range right now. Doing a gear change. It's the high range. 2,500 RPM. 4,500. Machine has air blow through the spindle. Also, it has coolant through spindle with a 1,000 PSI chip blaster unit. 6,000 RPM. Also, the machine has a chip conveyor. We're going to simulate a tool change. Machine is wired for 4th axis table. So you have the drive in the control. All right, that's the second tool change. Again, that's a FANUC control, 18 IMB control, and you have a remote jog handle as well. Thank you for watching our video.